Welcome to the Logic Kids channel. Today we are going to learn about science experiments. Science experiments are a fantastic way for kids to explore and understand the world around them. They make learning hands-on, fun, and exciting. Here are some easy-to-do experiments that can be done with simple materials found at home, covering chemistry, physics, and biology. Volcano eruption, chemistry. Materials needed: baking soda, vinegar, dish soap, food coloring, and a plastic bottle or cup. How it works: mix baking soda, a bit of dish soap, and food coloring in the bottle. Pour vinegar over it and watch as it bubbles up like a volcanic eruption. The reaction between baking soda and vinegar produces carbon dioxide gas, creating the bubbling effect. Result: chemical reactions and gas production. Magic milk, chemistry. Materials needed: milk, food coloring, dish soap, and a shallow dish. How it works: pour milk into the dish and add drops of food coloring. Dip a cotton swab in dish soap and touch the milk. The colors will swirl around in a mesmerizing way. Result: surface tension and how soap interacts with fat in milk. Balloon rocket, physics. Materials needed: balloon, string, straw, and tape. How it works: thread the string through the straw and tape a blown-up balloon to the straw. Release the balloon, and it will shoot along the string like a rocket. Result: Newton's third law of motion: for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Invisible ink, chemistry. Materials needed: lemon juice, cotton swab, paper, and a heat source like a light bulb. How it works: dip the cotton swab in lemon juice and write a message on the paper. Once it dries, hold it close to a light bulb to reveal the hidden message. Result: how heat can cause chemical reactions and reveal substances. Rainbow in a glass, density. Materials needed: sugar, water, food coloring, and a tall glass. How it works: mix sugar and water with different colors, making each solution with increasing amounts of sugar. Pour them in layers, from heaviest to lightest, and watch a rainbow form in the glass. Result: density and how it affects the layering of liquids. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.